In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create, how you can install, and how you can share your Lightroom presets. So in case you're actually wondering, what are Lightroom presets are, re-editable edits. So you can simply share what you've edited to someone else and they can apply that the same effect on their own design. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's jump right into it. So now you can see my design is actually here, which I've created for one of my YouTube thumbnails, and if I hold down on it, you can see the before of this design, and by releasing this is the after. So now the edit is actually complete, and the next thing I have to do now is to create this preset in Lightroom. So by creating a preset in Lightroom, the preset is actually being saved in Lightroom. So first thing we're going to do is to create our preset first. The next one I'm going to show you how to install it, and then I'll show you how to share your preset to other designers as well. So now let's create this preset. So before you create the preset, you want to make sure you are through with your editing, anything at all. Now I'm actually through with this. I'm not touching this anymore. So I would like to save this now as a preset. Just hold on real quick, and now in order to save this as a preset, I'll click on the three dot that is at the top right. Once I click on that, I'll click on create preset, and once I click on create preset, you can see this is where the preset will be located in user preset. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can actually identify that. So I'll just name this preset so I can get access to this. So since this is a portfolio thumbnail, I'm just going to name this portfolio. Let me just give it portfolio like that, and I'll click on the check mark icon. So now you should know that this preset that I actually created, now this one, it will be only available in Lightroom. You can only get this preset in Lightroom. So in order to see the preset which you just created, just hold on a second. Okay, let me delete the effect on this so you guys can see if the preset actually worked. So I'll just click on this, I'll click on reset, and I'll click on all. So now you see it has come back to its original position. So now since we've created our preset in Lightroom, I'll scroll to the down slider, I'll click on preset, and like I said, it is located in user preset. So user preset, so you can see portfolio here. Just make sure you name your preset accordingly so you can get access to it easily. So now the preset has already been named portfolio, and once I click on this, you see that the effect that we actually deleted has now been added to this our portfolio design. So I'll just click on the check mark icon, and if I hold down again, this is the before, and by releasing it, this is the after. So now this is how you can create the preset in Lightroom. So now let me show you how you can export and how you can install your preset. So by to export a particular preset which you can actually share to someone, just click on the share icon at the top here, scroll down, click on export as, then make sure you select DNG is selected, just like design files are PLP or PSD. In Lightroom, it is actually DNG that is for preset. So once I click on DNG, I'll click on the check mark icon, and then I'll wait for a little while for this to just finish processing. That's finished processing. It's actually saving your own gallery. So in order to import that, you can actually share what is saved in your gallery now to anyone. That's how you can actually share the preset. But now I want to show you how to install that preset which you just shared back into Lightroom. So you have to import the picture. That picture is a normal picture, but the file name is actually DNG. So I'll click on the three dots here, I'll click on add photos, I'll click on files, and I'll go to my recent, and I'll select the file which I just exported from Lightroom. So you can see the file here, which is the first one here. So I'll just select this and then wait for it to be imported in Lightroom. So now the preset is actually imported in Lightroom. So take note that presets are actually in picture format. It's just that the name of the file will be DNG. So now this is the first one which is here, but let me delete the effect on this my particular format edit so you guys can see the application once I apply it. So I'll just reset this to its original position. You can see this. I'll head over to my preset. Which I just imported. So once I click on that, I'll click on the three dot at the top right. I'll click on copy settings. So I'll copy exactly like this. I've copied the edits on this, so you can apply this to any of your design or anything at all, and so the design will have that exact effect. So I'll just click on the three dots here, and I'll click on paste. Since I copied it from there, I'm going to paste it on the design which I want. I'll click on paste, and then you just wait for a while, and you can see it has the same edit which this one had before. So this is actually different because it might actually be different in different image. So if you have a particular image which you want to use and you just pasted it randomly, the effect might actually change because originally the preset was not created for that particular kind of design. So all you need to do is to just readjust it to your own taste so you get your final result. So I think I should just reset this to all. Let me reset this to all, and let me paste the preset effect that I copied from that one. Let me paste it here and see the effect on this. So this is still nice, so but the lightning is actually too much, so I head over to the light section and reduce the light. So this is how you can actually create a preset, install a preset and export it and actually share it to your friends right here with Lightroom. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, like, share and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell for more, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.